Hey, welcome from Metricom. Let's jump right into this explainer on accountable AI governance and managing operational risk.
Everyone's rushing to use AI, right? But without real governance, it becomes a massive operational risk.
Think about it. If an AI tool messes up, who's actually on the hook for that decision?
AI isn't just some fun IT project. It's a critical business process needing serious operational oversight. Management has to define our risk appetite, while legal and compliance set those absolute regulatory boundaries.
Throw in IT, quality, and department heads, and you've got the essential guardians of your AI workflow.
We absolutely must classify different AI use cases by risk level to figure out who approves what. So, once those rules are locked in, everything relies on strictly controlling the data feeding these tools. Before typing a single prompt, your team must know exactly what data falls into these 4 categories. But what happens when the AI spits out a super confident, yet completely wrong answer? Here's the golden rule. AI just supports the draft. A human has to own the final decision. To avoid serious exposure, you need crystal clear accountability assigned across these 5 specific roles. Put it all together, and you build a rock-solid, safe workflow using these 5 simple steps. You absolutely need an auditable trail, like an AI user register, proving every decision was properly validated. AI gives us crazy speed, but ultimately, can your business actually prove you used it responsibly?